Hi all. Choosing a programming language to start with in this ever-changing tech landscape might be intimidating, and rightly so. However, a proper old school method of analysis and sorting out shall help clear out the clouds. Here is a short narrative on what exactly is a code and how to settle on which one we should rather choose. All the important links and references are mentioned in this video's description. First, what is a code? Code refers to the computer program algorithms made up of symbols from a source alphabet that represent the set of rules on what actions the program is expected to perform. Secondly, coming on to what are algorithms. An algorithm is a procedure used for solving a problem or performing a computation. Algorithms act as an exact list of instructions that conduct specified actions step by step in either hardware or software-based routines. For example, the steps taken in brewing a cup of coffee is also a sort of an algorithm. It does not happen in one go. Various steps work in harmony to form that one cup of coffee. Similarly, various sets of instructions form an algorithm which further forms a computer program. Thus, what is a computer program? A computer program is a sequence or a set of instructions in a programming language made for a computer to execute. Now, what is the best programming language to code in? There is no specific answer to this question, as there is no best programming language. A language, as in real life, enables you to express and communicate your views, thoughts, and ideas to the broader world. Likewise, a programming language empowers you to deliver your required set of instructions and/or make an application that fulfills what you have in mind and that can be used by a set of users. Different languages can achieve the same result in different manners and efficiency, and they have their particular zones of application. For example, Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. It can be used for various tasks from data analysis and visualization to web development, prototyping, and automation. C# is an object-oriented programming language, a model that organizes software design around objects. C# is one of the top programming languages due to its fast performance and improved stability. Java is a proprietary programming language owned by Oracle. It is a high-level general-purpose programming language enabling coders to create all sorts of applications with ease. With a variety of languages, each with its own designated pros and cons, choosing one to be proficient in is what matters. A strength-weakness analysis would provide a clearer picture as to what one must choose and build ahead. Coding is an exciting and ever-learning journey to embark upon. Start now, start prepared. I hope this helped. Signing off, Atomic Sage.